In this video, I'm going to show you how to create folders so that you can keep your files organized for all of your classes. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the Start menu and click File Explorer. If this doesn't show up as like a pinned thing, just search File and you'll find File Explorer. Then come down to Documents. And I have lots of files and folders in my mind, but you might not have any, so that's okay. You're going to select New Folder. I want you to name the folder something like SY25_26. So that stands for school year 25-26. Or you can name it 8th grade, or 9th grade, 10th grade, whatever grade you're in. Apparently I already have one named 8th grade. I'm going to rename it. Let's say 9th grade for me. Let's pretend I'm a 9th grader. All right, now I'm going to open up that folder. And inside the folder, I'm going to create a folder for each of my classes. So we're going to go to New Folder, and we're going to say Computer Literacy. And then New Folder, Math. New Folder, ELA. Whatever your classes are for the semester, make a folder for each of them. You might not know what your classes are at the moment, but just make a class for everything that you do currently know, or you know that you will have. You can make them for like the standard things. All right, so now I have the assignment part done where I have a folder created for the school year and a folder created for each of my classes. If you've already downloaded something that you want to move into your folders for the school year, you can do that. Go to your downloads. The easiest way is just to click and drag it into the new folder. This is just to help you if you've already downloaded items onto your computer for this school year. So to finish up this assignment before you submit it, I want you to take a screenshot of this page where you can see the main folder, that it's in Documents, and that you have a folder created for each of your classes. To do that, press the Windows key Shift S, and then it will kind of darken and you'll be able to go in and highlight the part that you want to screenshot, and the screenshot will be taken. Then you can click on it and have it save into your folder. Oops. You can say save, and then go to Documents and 9th grade computer literacy and name it folder screenshot. And then upload this to the assignment spot. And that's all you have to do for this assignment. But I would make sure to use these folders to keep your computer organized throughout this school year.